Hey everybody, what's up? It's Queen Bee and welcome back to another Roblox video. And I am with my friend Gaby. You know you can talk, right?
Oh, hi.
Yeah, they can hear you.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm with Gary, one with my other best friends. And today we'll be playing airplane, but it's gonna be short, so we won't be able to finish the video. And yeah, let's go. Why do I look like a grown up? First of all. Oh, wait. This one. Yay! Oh wait, we're looking together. We're sitting together. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
We're ready to take off, y'all. Your people. Ooh.
I'm just doing the Richmond.
Ooh. Airplane too. Ooh, okay. Let's do that. Wait, where's my seat? This is not mine. This is not mine. Please don't tell me I'm in the back. Okay, wait. Oh wait, I'm in the front.
Oh, I'm like behind you.
Ooh. At least we're together, like.
Yep.
Guys, I like the park, like when we're like going to. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Airplane two. Oh my god. We are playing. Yay! My name is Kelly. I will be your pilot in this flight. As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane.
Oh, yes. Definitely not an original.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 991 Presidential Aircraft.
Oh, it's only me and you, Valerie.
You heard right, President. Oh my gosh, it doesn't want to turn on. Bear with you saved an airplane last time. Yeah, duh. We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time. Anyway, you guys say today, and is the reason why you are here. But why? Like, why out of why? Alright, enough chatting. Hey, I want to chat. You know, my bossy. We're the only ones in the game.
Yep, that's what I told you.
Please find a seat then. Okay, no, I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna stay here and I'm gonna dance all day long. Oh wait, it doesn't want me. Okay, I'm gonna sit down. Sit down. Okay, open. Oh!
Okay, this is a crazy thing.
It was going like crazy.
Golden label. It's not even golden, first of all.
Did we just do a barrel roll? Yes, indeed we did. Yes, dance. Thank you for your cooperation.
Oh, yes. Yes, can I join you?
Yes.
Can I? Okay.
Hi therefore, the President AJ is waiting for you in the tube. Please find him there for further instructions. No, I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna keep dancing like a noob. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Wait, wait. Did anyone else say that? No.
Oh, you're playing with your friends?
Guys, sorry.
Help me. Wait, you're gonna have to. Oh! Yeah, you're dying. You're gonna die. The agent has to. Agent!
Guys, sorry, but I have to go.
What?
I have to go. Wait, not yet. Yes, I do. Bye.